Bermuda Triangle is one of the biggest mysteries that are not solved till now, and scientists are unable to explain this theory. We can write hundreds of books according to Bermuda Triangle, but today I will give you the short introduction of Bermuda Triangle. Bermuda Triangle, also known as Devil's Triangle or Hurricane Area, is a loosely defined region in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean where a number of aircraft and ships are disappeared under mysterious circumstances. Most reputable sources dismiss the idea that there is any mystery. The vicinity of the Bermuda Triangle is among the most heavily traveled ship lanes in the world, with ships frequently crossing across through it of the ports in America, with Europe and the Caribbean islands. Cruise ships and the player craft regularly sail through this region, and commercial and private aircraft routinely fly over it. Popular culture has attributed various disappearances to the paranormal or activity by extraterrestrial beings. Documented evidence indicate that a significant percent of the incidents were spurious, inaccurate, reported, or embellished by later authors. The first disappearance in the Bermuda Triangle occurred on September 17, 1950, on which many of the articles and books were published. After 1950, many of the ships and aircraft are disappeared. The Bermuda Triangle have very big area, which is defined by Gary's Argosy. But this could be incorrect because many of the different people have different idea of the boundaries of Bermuda Triangle. The Bermuda Triangle covers more than 500,000 square kilometers of ocean. Christopher Columbus was one of the most famous traveler of the world. He have traveled almost every place in the world. He have once reported an incident happened in the area of Bermuda Triangle or sailing for the area on the first voyage to the New World. He reported that the Great Flame or Fire, probably a meteor, crashed into the sea one night, that a strange light appeared in the distance a few weeks later. He also wrote about erratic compass reading, perhaps because at the time of silver, a sliver of the Bermuda Triangle was one of the few places on Earth where true north and magnetic north lined up. Do you know? After gaining widespread fame in the first person to sail solo around the globe, Joshua Slocum disappeared in a 1909 voyage up from Martha's Vineyard to South America. Though it's unclear exactly what happened, many sources later attributed his death to the Bermuda Triangle. There are many people who wrote about Bermuda Triangle, as I have told you. Many of the ships and people were disappeared in this area of Bermuda Triangle and never returned to their homes, in which one incident happened when the aircraft bomber aircraft of America squadron, almost 12 aircraft were disappeared in the Bermuda Triangle, and they were never returned back. There are many fake and real theories are available about Bermuda Triangle, but no one of them is clear about Bermuda Triangle or proved yet. According to the most famous theories, one of the theory is that there is very large magnetic field where when ships and people go on the places of Bermuda Triangle they disappear and sink in the sea. And because of high magnetic field in the area of Bermuda Triangle, many of the planes were destroyed in this area and never returned any person alive. In today's modern world, many of the ships never traveled from this area, but planes regularly travel from this place. But because of their high altitude, they are never disappeared or captured by the magnetic fields of the Bermuda Triangle. One of the biggest reasons of the Bermuda Triangle mystery not solved yet was that it is in sea and a normal scientist is not able to travel to that place, and if someone has this authority to travel he will not compromise on his life only for Bermuda Triangle and its mystery. If you want part 2 of this video, so don't forget to subscribe this video or channel and press the bell icon so you can able to get all the notifications on time. You are watching Fact on Tiger, the biggest channel in the world. Allah